At Spitwater, we understand the Australian agricultural industry, which is why we have a broad range of machines to suit your job to be done. We have our cold water electric machines in both single phase and three phase, as well as our hot water machines also available in single phase and three phase power. When we need the versatility to do jobs that are around the property that aren't inside a wash bay, we have a broad range of petrol machines in cold water and hot that allows that little bit extra mobility when we need it. Our Spitwater electric cold water machines give us a range of power options from single phase right through to three phase, depending on the flow that is required. Our Spitwater machines feature our inbuilt cooling tank, which allows that machine to run into bypass without your hand on the trigger, without overheating. Our cold water petrol pressure cleaners give us much more versatility as opposed to our cold water electric machines. We can use this machine in the wash bay, but when we need to actually take that pressure cleaner and move it down the back for a job to be done, we can do that due to its portability. We have a range of electric hot water pressure cleaners. They come in both our medium duty and our heavy duty to suit your application. We start with our 10 litre per minute all the way up through to 21 litres. Hot water gives us that added advantage on the farm where we have grease and grime that needs to be removed on a daily basis. No matter which Spitwater pressure cleaner you choose for your application, you can be guaranteed that this machine is built tough and ready. These machines have been tried and tested in Australian conditions for over 30 years. We also have a vast dealer network of over 100 dealers throughout Australia that gives you the access to parts and service to keep your machine maintained or get you back up and running with limited downtime. We also have a wide variety of attachments and chemicals, so whether you'd like to use a foam cannon with our tough truck and machinery wash for cleaning harvesters or equipment around the farm, or if we need to attach fogging nozzles for industry applications where we need sanitisation. We also have accessories such as underbody cleaners, or you may just want a longer lance to be able to reach to higher areas. You can be guaranteed that if you speak to your Spitwater specialist, they will have something to suit your job to be done. So whether you have a 25-year-old pressure cleaner that's been on the property that's due for a service, or you're looking to upgrade your machine to a higher flow machine, or possibly even a hot water machine to create those time savings that you need, or if you're looking for a complete new setup, make sure when you speak to your local Spitwater dealer that you ask us about our new range of flow RPM chemicals and accessories that can really help improve the efficiencies in your job to be done. Hard jobs made easy with Spitwater.